Okay, let's start on what is segment.
Okay, what's it EPIC? An electronic chart display and information system EPIC is a computer-based navigation system that comply with I/O regulation and can be used as an alternative to paper navigation chart, integrating probability of real-time information. It is an automated decision aid capable of continuously determining as vessel position in relative to land chart object, navigation aid and unseen hazard. And EPIC included electronic navigational chart (ENC) and integrated position information from the global positioning system (GPS) and other navigational sensors such as radar, photometer, and automatic identification system (AIS). It may also display additional navigation-related information such as sailing direction. EPIC is defined in the I/O EPIC Performance Standard I/O Resolution A.A1719.
EPIC is good to use.
Okay. Improve navigational awareness with the indication of chart, positioning and navigational information. Real-time accurate ship position. Automatic monitoring of vessel voyage. Reduction of human error and elimination of time needed to manually update chart. Alarm point can be set. No need to store numerous paper charts.
Yeah. Now you will know a little story of EPIC. Next, we will talk about 5 steps to compare. Now we are talking about 5 steps to compare. Yeah, first, let's start.
Okay, so I will explain in first topic. First, communication desk. First thing, you need to decide where to fit it to each of your ship. In the diagram, you will see the active communication scheduled from July 2009 to July 2018. If we need to ship type and schedule to update, example, new finger, we update last set compliant days for your ship on July 2011. Next is active manufacturer.
You decide when you will be storing on board your vessel. You will then need to choose the make and model of the things. You will have seen a lot of this manufacturer out there and it's so difficult to do. It's them to choose. It's therefore critical to make your decision on an informative set of objective design and performance criteria. Consider four aspects. First, software. Second, hardware. Third, chart supply. And fourth, type applicable.
Okay, what is important? Data in EPIC.
It's electronic chart data. The two most widely type of electronic chart data and is below. It has ENC chart and raster chart.
Okay, so what is ENC chart?
ENC contains all the chart information necessary for segregation and may contain supplementary information in addition to that contained in the paper chart, e.g. sailing direction. This supplementary information may be considered necessary for safe navigation and can be integrated as a seamless chart. System using ENC chart can be programmed to keep warning of impending danger in relation to the vessel position and movement. Chart system certified conforming to marine regulation and required to show its danger. reasoning. T should follow the IO model class 1.27 protein our relation for being officer to safety the IO standard of training certificate and worshiper. High-specific training requirement specific training for programming and model of it need to carry out according to the international safety. Select only training organization with comprehensive fact-based approval including those of your ship that will be with this. You might also want to consider changing your one internal English channel so that you have an English specialist to supplement the internal certification.
Next is operating procedure.
We are talking about operating procedure. Operating procedure is unified when you are going to install it. Risk manufacture, you are going to go risk and put in place training for your you now need to ensure that you put in place operating procedure for your network. Things to consider. Departure and oil check, passenger planning and wash, shipping, wash and oil, sensor, back out planning with procedure. The procedure should be doing to your vessel and in line with company policy. The idea of operation and the client option, you can then update your estimate. Okay, next is public list transition from paper to digital. Transition from paper to digital. The final step in your investigation is the onboard implementation. Transition can be over several months depending on your compliance window. Therefore, important to consider making the move to edit before compliance becomes mandatory. If you are for public to be verified and for to feel competent and able and navigating with electronic chart, data, and paper.
Okay, we will summary all that we are talking about before. First, we know what is edit. Second, we profile it. Third, bicep command that we are talking is the information inside the edit. But once the specific links identifies appropriate control measure, you need to be established and put place in consolidation with ship staff. Incorporate your epic procedure and risk assessment into your safety management system. It's good practice to place an epic experienced officer on board during the initial transition stage to guide lesser evidence movement. That is all we are talking about, and thank you for